How to get all Blooks in Blooket. Blooket is one of the most fun quiz style games out there. And if you've played it, you know the real prize is collecting Blooks, the avatars you see in the game. But how do you unlock them all? Let's dive in. Blooks are characters you can play as. They come in different rarities: common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, and even chroma. Some are easy to get, while others are extremely rare. The main way to unlock Blooks is by opening packs. So you earn tokens by playing games, then spend them on theme packs like Space, Wonderland, or Safari. Each pack has its own set of Blooks, and the rare ones have lower drop rates, so patience is key. Some Blooks are event exclusive. For example, seasonal events or special promotions may offer unique Blooks that you can't get from packs. If you want them all, you need to keep an eye out for these limited time opportunities. You can't unlock every single Blook instantly through official means. Some are tied to specific events, and others are extremely rare. There are hacks and scripts online that claim to unlock everything, but using them risk your account being banned. So, what's the best strategy? Play regularly to earn tokens, focus on one pack at a time, and participate in events whenever they're available. Over time, you'll build up a huge collection. So, to sum it up, you can unlock most Blooks by opening packs and joining events, but some will take time and dedication. And that is how to get all Blooks in Blue Kit.